Hi folks, to remove the accent graphic from the logo, expand the Site folder, Styles, open the theme.css. Look for the logo section, and right below that we have the navbar brand. And we use the graphic as a before class or style. Select this line right here for the background, and you'll see the name. It'll refer to the logo, and the logo background, in this case MD for medium PNG. Select that entire line and delete on the keyboard. That's it. Save and update, you're done. Or if you want, you can use your own graphic. Just place it into the themed images logo folder, whatever graphic you want, and then replace the name of the graphic here with the name of your own graphic, and that will show up. And from there you can help, or you can start to position it using the existing styles that are in the page. To position it, currently we have it so that it is left and centered. If you remove left or the transform, translate, and the left, then you can use top, bottom, left, and right positionings, as in right 20px as an example, and remove the left and the transform, and now it will be positioned 0 pixels from the bottom, and it'll be positioned 20 pixels from the right. So you can use the top, bottom, left, and right positioning to position your own accent graphic.